Hi everyone, introducing an exciting innovation competition. This is a hackathon kind of thing. It's known as Revenuecat Shipathon 2026, where you can ship apps and start making money. So Revenuecat is a payment service that is being managed within the apps. So you can use that to enable the payment in Android and iOS. So it is just a service. They are not a payment provider. It will help you manage a subscription. It will help you pay better easily when you have payment modules within your apps. So they charge a commission on each transaction. So they are organizing this competition. So you can come here and make various apps. So they are asking you to make apps in this competition, and the apps will win prizes. They have $685,000 in cash, and they have a lot of sponsors, as you can see here, and they have awards in different categories: Best Game, Revenuecat Peace Prize, Revenuecat Design Award, Catversing Award, Next Gen Award, HAMM Award, Help Apps Make Money Award, Conflict of Interest Award. All those different kinds of awards they have put in. There are much more there. This is the grand prize structure. So it's a great opportunity for you. So you just have to submit a text description of your app's features and functionality, a demo video, a URL to your fully published app icon, at least one screenshot, either a free trial in an app or a promo code, so that just can unlock the in-app purchases and test all the premium features. So you can go ahead and try it out. So if you like such interesting videos from around the world about innovation, competition and opportunities, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's known as IDMLA. Thank you very much.